Hello boys and girls, this is your little mini lesson today on using tens and ones, because our goal today is to be able to create two-digit numbers using our big 10 sticks and our teeny tiny ones. I'm also going to show you how to use the game that is in your Google Slides today. Okay? So we're going to start by doing a review or a reminder of how to make numbers with tens and with ones. So I have this really neat website that I'm going to give you a link to later on, but you can make any number you want using the blocks above. I have a ones block, tens block, and a 100. You can click and drag them, or if you have a tablet, you use your finger. I have a touch screen too, so I might use that today. So I'm going to start by remembering how many ones are in a 1 and how many ones are in a 10. So I'm going to grab a 1 here, and I'm going to click it and drag it down on my screen. That's 1. That's one block. If I put 10 teeny tiny ones together, that should make a 10 stick. Let's see if that matches. So I'm going to get what they say, this is a 10 stick. So I'm going to bring it down here. I'm going to make sure they all line up together. I'm going to block some together. So 1, 2, 3 teeny tiny ones, 4 teeny tiny ones, 5 teeny tiny ones. I want to make sure they all lock together. 6 teeny tiny ones, 7 teeny tiny ones, 8 teeny tiny ones, 9 teeny tiny ones, and 10 teeny tiny ones. Oh my gosh, they match perfectly. So a whole 10 stick is just 10 teeny tiny ones all pushed together. Let's see what number that is though. There's 2 10 sticks. So every time I see a 10 stick, I'm going to have to count by a 10 and not a 1. Because this is a 1 all by itself. And these are the 10 sticks. So let's figure out what number this is. Count by 10 with me. 10, and then 10 more, 20. So I made the number 20 together. Let's see if we can make another number using our 10s and our 1s. We already made 20. Let's see if we can make, I know. Let's see if we can make 32. Let's make that number. So I'm always, when I make a number, going to start with 10 sticks because they're the biggest and I can count by them really, really fast. So let's use our 10 sticks to get to 32. All right, I'm going to grab my 10 stick. Count with me. 10, 20, 30, 40. Ooh. Wait a second. My number was supposed to be 32, right? Let me recount this. 10, 20, 30, 40. Uh-oh. I think I went too big. I'm going to get rid of this 10 stick. Let's try counting this again. 10, 20, 30. I'm trying to get to 32. So I have 30 right here. How much more do I need? 2. I should get 2 ones. 1, 2. Let's count that and make sure it makes 32. Because remember, these are 1s and these are 10s. So let's count together. 10, 20, 30. There's no more 10s to count. 31, 32. Yeah, we did it. Awesome. All right, let's use our game now to make 10s and 1s now that we've had some practice. So I'm going to go back to my lesson where this video we're taking is going to go right here. And underneath it is this cool game that I found on ABC. You might have played it before, and that's awesome. So we're going to go play it together. I'm going to click the link. I'm going to let it load. I have to be patient with technology because it's loading up a really cool game for me. Awesome, it says I can play it now. So I'm going to click the play button. Oh, I'm so excited. All right, I'm going to do read it and make it, the eyeball. And we're doing 10s and 1s, right, boys and girls? So we should be clicking the button that says 10s. If you finish doing a few numbers with 10s, then if you're bored, you can try 100s. But today we're going to do 10s and click go.
Make the number at the top of the screen by dragging the base 10 snakes from the notebook. Remove snakes by dragging them back. Get 5 correct in a row and earn a new snake style.
Well, it looks like the directions are right there, but I'm going to read them again. So it says, make the number at the top of the screen. Oh, I can see it already. It's up here. Make 72. By dragging the base 10 snakes from the notebook. Oh, I see the notebook with the base 10 snakes. Oh, look at that. They turned the base 10 blocks we were using in the last game into snakes. There's a little 1 snake. He's so short. And here's the 10 snake. He's nice and long. Remove snakes by dragging them back. So if I'm all done with a snake, I'm going to put it right back where it was. I get 5 correct in a row, and I earn a new snake style. Okay, let's practice. I'm going to make one number with you, and then this video will be all done. Oh, it showed me how to do it. Okay, I want to make 72. So remember, just like with 32, I started by counting by 10s. So let's grab our 10 snakes. I'm going to click with one finger, and then with my other finger, I'm going to move it across the mouse pad and drag it. So 10, count with me, 20. Look at that, they count for you too. 30, 40, and they're counting along at the bottom too. That's awesome. 50, 60, 70. Looks like I have all of my 10s. 7 10s in 70. But now, how many 1s do I need? Let's see, this says 70 and 2. I need 2 1s. 71 and 72. I think I'm all done with this number. It matches. I'm going to hit submit, which means I'm all done. Yes! Awesome! I want you to be able to try this game all on your own. I want you to play it for about 15 minutes. When you're all done practicing 10s, and if you're really bored or you want a challenge, you can try using the 100s version of the game. Hope that explains how to play, and have fun, boys and girls.